There are many low-cost travel destinations available, and nowadays, finding them doesn't take much work. There are endless destinations you can go to on a budget, no matter what continent you're on or your interests. As long as you do some research, get inventive, and exercise some flexibility, no place is ever truly too expensive. You just might not be living it up when you go there. Here's my list of the best cheap travel destinations so you can get inspired and plan your next affordable adventure. Before starting, support the channel by liking this video and subscribing to this channel for future updates. Number 10. Romania. There are a lot of preconceived notions about this Eastern European nation. It isn't until they arrive that they realize how beautiful it is. The magnificent Transylvania region has much for you to dig your teeth in, just like the Dracula it inspired. Think of its charming medieval villages, historic fortified churches, and impressive Carpathian mountain range. It's ideal for a trip in the spring or summer, but it's also enchanted in the winter with inexpensive ski resorts and castles covered in snow. Number 9. Vietnam. One of the most intriguing and affordable nations in Asia is Vietnam. Vietnam is more than just the standard travel routes. Consider the most genuine and unadulterated place on earth, the province of Ha Giang in the north. Tam Coc's limestone scenery is also not to be missed. The town of Phong Nha is a terrific destination for adventure travel and caving. Camping inside the third largest cave in the world is an experience I'll never forget. Backpacker budget, $25 a day. Number 8. Cape Verde. Can a whole nation be called a hidden gem? If so, Cape Verde is unquestionably one of them. While little known, this tiny island off the coast of Africa makes for an excellent winter getaway. Sol Island is well known for its low-cost package resorts, but Santo Anteo Island is actually the pinnacle of culture and natural beauty. There I performed some of the best hiking and trekking of my life. The scenery is absolutely wonderful. Backpacker budget, $45 a day. Number 7. Nepal. Oh, Nepal. Namaste was where you had me. When I went to Nepal a few years ago, the warm-heartedness of the people and the great bustle of Kathmandu immediately attracted me. Nepal is also one of the least expensive locations in the world for guided or unguided mountain trekking. In the Himalayas, there are routes that are well supported and have a lot of tea houses where you may dine and stay. Backpacker budget, $20 a day. Number 6. Argentina. Argentina is a poor country. Its economy has experienced more yo-yo-like ups and downs. But it still means that Argentina is extremely affordable for visitors from other countries using Western currencies. Buenos Aires was once referred to as the Paris of the South, and part of its attractiveness is that you may enjoy European-style development while paying prices that are significantly lower than you might anticipate. Oh, and Argentina is, of course, a wonderful place to travel. Together with the magnificent Iguazu Falls, the Andean and Quechua areas are located in the north. There is so much culture to experience in cities like Cordoba and Buenos Aires. Backpacker budget, $30 a day. Number 5. Mexico. Most people associate Mexico with its beach resorts, like those in Cancun, Cabo, or Tulum. Although they're fantastic, these tourist destinations are merely cheap when compared to places like Miami or Hawaii. Many people already think that's a wonderful deal, but if you want something truly inexpensive, you need to look at other parts of Mexico. Backpacker budget, $40 a day. Number 4. Albania. This underappreciated nation has been dubbed the next Croatia by some. It still mostly remains unnoticed for the time being. There are many reasons to visit Albania, including its undeveloped coastline, eccentric capital, well-preserved Ottoman-era towns, and majestic mountains. You can discover the intriguing past of this formerly remote nation, which was referred to as the North Korea of Europe during the Cold War. It is a developing democracy today, and better infrastructure has made travel more convenient. Oh, and did I mention that it might be the most affordable place to travel in Europe? Hostel dorms for $10 and inexpensive hotel rooms for $25 are both readily available. Backpacker budget, $25 a day. Number 3. Colombia. Colombia is a fantastic place to visit, and thankfully, it's nothing like the Netflix series Narcos, which is set more than 50 years ago. With the Pacific and Atlantic coast, the Amazon rainforest, and beginning of the Andes mountain range, Colombia has a little bit of everything. Backpacker budget, $30 a day. Number 2. Turkey. Turkey's economy has been struggling recently, but right now, anyone looking to exchange their dollars or euros for lira can get one of the best offers anywhere in the world. Istanbul is a wonderful and modern metropolis with pricing you might expect from a remote or much less developed area, making it the ideal starting point for a journey to Turkey and also the ideal destination for a city tour. Roman remains, cave towns, bustling bazaars, and of course a lot of Mediterranean beaches can be found in this region, which was previously home to the Byzantine and Ottoman empires and is situated between east and west. Backpacker budget, $35 a day. Number 1. Thailand. Thailand is resuming, and right now is the ideal moment to travel, with tourism completely restored but popular attractions still enjoying pleasantly empty streets. But it can be a fabulously inexpensive location to go anyway, and you can find fantastic value on any budget. Resort tourism on the islands and beaches is more expensive than touring through the inland provinces. Backpacker budget, $30 a day inland. What's your favorite destination in this list? Tell us in the comments section below. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.